that young man. Justice to Nnamdi Kanu. Justice to Biafra. What has this young man done to Nigerian government? What has Nnamdi Kanu done? What evil, what offense has he committed that cannot be forgiven? Today is another day. He is going to court for another trial. We pray that today bring favor. But with the look of things, with the way all these things are going, I don't know the direction anyway, but we pray and we keep hoping because people of Biafra, we have faith. We know that one day justice must prevail. Yes, the God of justice is still awake. He is not asleep. The ancestors of Nnamdi Kanu, they are backing him up every minute. I see no reason why this young man is agitating for freedom of his people, for Biafra. I see nothing wrong there. It happened in other countries. It's legal, it's normal thing. And they have tagged him a terrorist. And they have tagged him person where they buy people. Okay, let me ask. Since this man has been in that dungeon, under the custody of DSS, everything happening in Nigeria, I mean the illicit and illegal things flying around, going on in Nigeria, has it not been happening consistently? Has anyone dropped? I thought once they hold him, like they said they kidnapped him or they apprehended him, yes, and they kept him in that dungeon, and I was thinking like all this insecurity would have become a thing of past. I was thinking that all this kidnapping stuff would have stopped since they said that he is the problem. Anyway, federal government has not come out to tell us the offense of this young man. They have not told us exactly what he has done, what sins or crime he has committed. We all know when this Simon Ekpa's own case was still afresh, when he was facing trials, a lot of people write petition against him. Even federal government, they brought a lot of evidence against him. They said that he was using his media platform, to sponsor terrorism. He was using it to sell some illicit things, importing some things from outside country that are illegal, that are not proper for Nigeria, that are scaring Nigerian people. That was why they were fighting him. That was why they sued him. At the end, he has gone to where they've taken him to prison. Yes, 6 years imprisonment. His own face and his own case is settled. After 6 years, he will come out. But let me ask, what is the fate of Nnamdi Kanu? Because that dungeon where they kept him, where nobody can have access to him, where nobody can communicate with him, no family member, no friends, no relation, nobody can speak or communicate with him. I don't see any improvement. Okay, look at what happened. How many days ago? This should be a week now. They went, Showore organized a very peaceful protest and they went out massively, peacefully protesting. What happened? Since they told us we are in an era of freedom of speech, you can express yourself, how you feel, how things are going. If you're not convinced with the way things are working in your area, like in your community, come out. You protest, it's normal thing, it happens in other countries. But here in Nigeria, they went out on a very peaceful protest. Look at government sent their security men begin to fight them. Begin to, distract them from their peaceful protest. They didn't go out there for fight. They went there to demand for Nnamdi Kanu freedom. Was that supposed to be a crime? Was that supposed to be illegal? Because they have been announcing it even before that date came. Even before that day, 2 days before that day, we heard it is on a social media platform. It's everywhere, it's on air. That our president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, went to the court to give court order not to allow Showore and his team members to go out for that protest. But Showore took it upon himself because he said he has made that promise that he must surely fulfill it. That man, Nnamdi Kanu, must surely come out from there. He does not belong there. This is over 10 years that this man has been in that dungeon. I am not talking about prison. I am talking about dungeon. There is difference between dungeon and prison. Go and make your research. Go and make your research. They want him to come out. And they went out after the tear gas, after everything. They picked Barrister Aloy, Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer. And she worried, like smartly, and how do I say it? And he escaped. At the end, they got him. At the end, they got him. They arrested him. What I ask now, what is our fate concerning this one Nigeria? We know that people are still talking about one Nigeria. People are still, like, people want to buy themselves because of one Nigeria. When you mention about our president is not working, don't just say it in an open place where some kind of useless set of people are gathered. They want to murder you. It seems you are lying. The same market where I go to buy something, that's the same market they buy something. As I even speak with you, I know some people that when you mention president, they carry it on their head. They are not even able to send their children to school. They are not able to eat good meal. They are not able to pay their rent. They can't eat 2 square meals in a day. But when you speak the truth, they want to buy you. That is what has brought this country to the mess where we are now. Nobody speak truth. Everybody see truth and turn it upside down. And it's not supposed to be that way. Let that young man go. Free him, let him go. He has done automatically nothing. Fighting for his people, fighting for freedom. I don't see anything wrong in it. He should be let go. Let him have his freedom back. No one can stop the moving train. Didn't you see the way he's loved? He is loved. I was shocked when I see Nnamdi, a senator, the only senator that can speak the truth. Like, I don't know what entered him anyway. When I watched the video, I was amazed. From the things he said concerning Nnamdi Kanu, he said that it is injustice. That even the way they kept him there and, the manner in which they, used to, like, kidnap him. Yes, let's put it that way because it's not an arrest. He said it is injustice. Something has to be done, that they need to let him go. But now, Mr. Ned, senator from Delta State, right? I think from the statement you made, you said that before then, that you had a meeting with our president. That was when he has not become a president. That means you have access. You can access the president. We beg you. I think if he listens to you, you're in a very right position to meet him. Since you can talk with him one-on-one, give him reasons. Make him understand. Talk to him like a man to man. If truly what you said on that national television is from your mind. Many people comes out with what is in their mind. They speak through their mouth. It never gets. It didn't come from the bottom of their heart. If truly so, I think you need to discuss and talk with Mr. President.
Nnamdi Kanu now! 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 Nnamdi Kanu now!
This is going, no, the way.